what are we going to do here, Peter?
We're going to mount the cylinder liners in this inline 6-cylinder block and measure the protrusion of the cylinder liners. Basically, every time you have the cylinder head off an engine, you need to do that.
Yeah, that's great. Now we're cleaning the shelf for the liners, so we have an even surface. And we also clean the liners for making sure that there are no debris or dirt inside. And it should be a clean install when everything is within specification. And then we take the second one, do the same, just repeat. And now we're gonna install these clamps to clamp down the liners to have a proper seating in the recess of the engine block. So just install these two, and they are looking different depending on the engine type, but the general idea is the same. So now we are prepared for the measurements, and then we're using this specific tool with this gauge, and now we're zeroing it out, so we have the reference surface dialed to 0. So we're measuring 4 points.
0.09. 0.09 there as well. 0.09 there. 0.08.
0.08.
Should we go on to the second one?
Yeah. So now I'm just moving this clamp over to the other liner. Make sure that this one is also clamped down before we start doing the same procedure on this one. And then we do the same here.
0.09, 0.09, 0.10, and 0.09.
So all these point positions are within specification.
Yes, well
do
within.
Another positioning here. So okay, Peter, now we've done the hardware part, measuring and doing that stuff. What's the next step then?
The next step would be to actually fill out the form that we ship with every cylinder line kit we sell, just to keep documentation available if something should happen.
Fill in the order information, SLP customer number and part number, information about the vehicle or machine type, the engine serial number, the date for mounting and dismounting, runtime, the measures, and don't forget to save this document with your vehicle records.